What's up, guys? I'm gonna test drive a Tundra today. Dream car. Alana's gonna record for me. But yeah, we're on our way to the dealership now. I wanted to go early so we can look at the cars before my appointment. My appointment's at 10. It's 9:25 right now. So yeah. What's up, Mama? All right. The rims I want to. All those Tundras have the same rims. They're different though. Some are different, but most are the same. These are Priuses, Alana. A Prius.
You know what I want?
Hybrid.
Did you know one of my tutoring teachers, she got a really nice car? Plus it's a electric car. I think it's a Lexus.
I don't think all the cars are open because at night anyone can come here, Alana, unless they have like a super master key that locks all the cars. That actually be really cool. Look at the rims on this. Can you imagine they have like a super master key that locks that this car's open? Prius C. I see you driving one of these cars. Some are open, Alana. Some are.
Oh, yeah.
Bird poop. What happened?
Right here, those are open spaces.
I see that. Oh, look at that leather. Look at the seats. Those are really nice.
They probably lock the cars at night.
It's Lydia's car.
It's a Toyota Corolla.
It's a Corolla, yeah. Wait, what year is it? Does it say? It's nice.
I don't see any paperwork.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. It is... It doesn't say.
$2,000, that's not bad.
Down payment, probably.
Ooh,
Actually,
ouch.
$20,000. 2017.
Oh, it is?
That's what it says, a year model. It looks like a 2015. Alright, come let's go over here. Okay, here's a 4Runner. These look nice. Ooh, TRD. I can definitely fit in that car. Oh, it looked like a Ford for a second. What?
One day, me and Mom were coming out the Walgreens. You know the Walgreens by the Tropical Supermarket or something?
Yeah.
We saw like a teenage girl driving one of those cars with the big wheels and stuff. And then Mom was like,
Was this a 4Runner? I think so.
it was like
Alright. Here are the Tundras. Right here.
to Combs.
I think that white one I'm test driving. Right here. Amazing. Dream car.
I like this
I'm
one.
so
It
close
has
to it.
the step stuff thing. This is
The
gonna be
one I'm
such a
getting
high
has it
car.
too. This one has a little bird poop in the back. All the time, the time. No,
Especially
it's
when,
not this one.
like,
The
when
rims
you're
are different.
moving, you can use the Tundra and put like stuff in the back.
You see that?
Plus a 4-door, that's good.
Either that's people with mud on their shoes, or that's
Or
gonna
they
happen
test
every
drive.
time. That means I have to clean that. All the time, the time. I don't think it's this Tundra because this Tundra would have had that rims.
Yeah. This Tundra looks better.
It's big.
Just wait.
Is that blue one? Oh, it's different rims. Oh, I seen that orange one on the road. Maybe that white one over there I'm driving. Some of these look taller than the others. You see it?
Oh yeah, they have like different height levels.
That white one looks smaller. Hang on. Hang on, we're not over there yet. Let me see if I can get a little footage.
And these fold in.
Whoa, the gear shift is missing. Like the thing.
No, that's how it is.
The knob. No, Hannah, the
knob?
knob. Don't touch it. Careful.
I'm not touching it.
Yes, it closes so you have extra space to park the car. Park the car. This is the color I want. But the rims are different. I'm so petty, right? Okay, this is a 2017. Whoa, Lana, look at the leather. Yeah, see the gift shift's missing. In spaces, all the time. Even the antenna's missing.
Now this looks like Tiger's car.
Should be simple.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be hard. When you step, you could probably like slip.
Yeah, it's different.
It's gonna be hard to do. Because some people like when the seats were there, they like.
Okay, this is the Tacoma. This is a mini version of the Tundra.
And this is a huge version.
This is a 4Runner. That is the SUV version of the Tundra.
It's a platinum.
Camry. You see it? It's a Sequoia.
Sequoia.
Sequoia. I can't say that.
Sequoia.
Land Cruiser. Crusher.
And how two fell down and stuff. They're like the Charles.
Serena.
Just like
All the time. Sienna. Nissan. This is the Toyota and a Nissan. I forgot. There's a Nissan over there. Camille's car. 2013 though. Camille has a 14. That does look different. Mitsubishi, Nissan. Is that a Lexus? Yes, it is.
ooh, look at this.
Camille's car was brand new. Well, this is 2013, right? Yeah, 2013. Hers looks smaller. I mean, this looks smaller. Or I'm really tall right now. Well, Camille did not have this on her mirrors. I don't remember this. I don't remember that. And I've driven her car before. Look at them brand new wheels. Actually, this one looks different. How many white Tundras are there? Because this... I want to get this bed cover. I want to get this. Yeah, this one's tall.
That was a platinum.
The one I'm getting doesn't have a full-size door. It's like right there. So everything's the same. It's just smaller. But yeah, I can do it. Yeah, that is platinum. Ooh, platinum. I don't think so. Maybe. But the Roman Atwood has that truck. He has a 2015. And poor Kane cannot reach up there. He has to... They don't have a thing. So when you open the door, it doesn't come out. I don't know if that's... I don't think it does that. What is that? It's a zip tie.
Tailpipe.
Zip tie. No, talking about the thing on the floor. Mom, if you're listening, I see you driving this in your future. Oh. This is a 2018. I see you driving a 2014 or 15. One of the others. I think 2015. This is, you see it? You see it? See the door? See the difference? Look. See the difference? Door?
Ooh.
Yes, Lana. This is the version I'm gonna get. This door. But I think, come stand right there. I think you can manage like that. If Kane and Noah can manage a truck like this. Yeah, but the one, I don't know. That's a fender, not a fender. Bumper thing. Yes, which means you have to be tall. See, this one doesn't have it either, unless the no. This is a Prius. Look at those tiny wheels. A Prius for everyone. Whoa!
Mom just texted me where are we?
Tell her we're at the car. Mm-hmm.
walls, we let the monsters in. And now we're running down the halls. No, we can't let them win. There's an evil inside that is lurking way down below. And if I can't hold to my breath, then I'm bound to become hollow. Can you say that I've disappeared? Can you say that I wasn't there for you? Into hiding on the front steps of your porch, and I reflected on memories, but I put up that torch light.
You have a car right now, right?
Yeah, I have a 2002 Ford Explorer Sport.
Is that under your name?
Yeah.
That's a Philadelphia.
Yeah. Actually, much easier than I thought it would be.
Really?
Yeah. Because my stepdad has a Ram. I don't know what kind of truck does Tiger have. It's a Ram 1500.
It's a truck.
Yeah. He never lets me drive it though.
Never let you drive.
Because when I did my driver's test, I got my license in a Fiat, and everyone's like, "Oh, you're too tall for a Fiat. How'd you even do that?"
You know, on this truck, you're gonna pay a nice monthly payment.
Yeah.
You know, right? You made your calculation already, right?
I know it's like. She doesn't let me drive that either.
Is she gonna let you drive a new car?
Yeah, because she trusts me. She just doesn't like me driving her. Where are you from?
Cuba.
My girlfriend's from.
And the Tundra is the car you want, right?
Yeah. Potholes.
Forward. They're close. All the way.
Okay. Thank you.
You take pictures and all of the car?
She did. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Take care. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna end the vlog using my iPhone, my iPhone 7, because my GoPro is just acting up. It doesn't like me right now. Okay, so the guy said I did pretty good. We're home right now, by the way. The guy said I did pretty good driving the truck, and he didn't say it, but I know I need to do it because I'm gonna say it, and because it's what I noticed when I was it's my first time driving. Give me a break. So U-turns, that's gonna kill me. No, but I was being easy with the U-turn. Did I do 2 U-turns or no? I only did 1. Obviously, it's going to be hard, but when you get a new car, you're gonna get used to it, obviously. But yeah, that truck was 40,000 miles, I think, and yeah, 34,000. But I'm not getting a 2015. I'm getting a 2008, which my mom told me to test drive it to see if I like it or not, and it was awesome. It was amazing. So yeah, what else did the guy say? But he was pretty cool. That was like my first time at a dealership by myself, and Alana was with me too. And Alana's like, "Oh, you did pretty good." I barely even noticed I was in the car, but Alana was the GoPro. Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, I am a big Toyota fan. 10%, 100%. But shout out to Mr. Perez. He got me the hookup. Mr. Olo Perez, yeah. I wonder if I said his name right. But yeah, that was like my dream truck, and I finally got to drive, and it was amazing. But I don't know what else to say. Am I forgetting anything? I don't know. I think it was like a monster truck. It was like a monster truck. It was funny. And I guess easing into the turning lane, that's what I need to work on too. But yeah, U-turns and easing in turning lane and U-turns, that's it. That's pretty much it. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. But stuff like this I want to record because it's awesome. But yeah, I see you guys. I can't speak this right now. Yeah, I see you guys another time in the future. Life's better underwater.